So now let's go ahead and cut our opening in this roof, which is just really a matter of editing the footprint. Let's have a look at our sheets over here in our PDF. So let's go to the plan views and see what we have there. We've got our roof plan over there. I don't think we've got it dimensioned other than on the roof plan. We can zoom in a little closer here. Have a look at that. Okay, so what we need to do on our roof plan here is just cut a hole, and I don't know, it doesn't have the size, but we can more or less guesstimate the size of that, and then we'll draw a little curb wall and do our glazing on top of that. So that's our next task here. So we'll go back into here, and let's go to our top of roof plan, and I can hover over here and go tab, until read down here on the status bar as we're going to select. Watch, tab, chain of walls, tab, roof. That's the one I want. But if you miss it, keep going. Watch different things highlighting. Back to the roof, click. Now it's clicked, and you can say edit footprint. Okay, I'm going to hit exit and stop that. You can also, if it's easier to select the object in a different view, you can do it there. For instance, I could go to this cross section. I could pick on this roof and say edit footprint, and it'll say, okay, pick your view you want to edit it in, and then you can go pick the view. So if you can't select the object to edit it, go to a view you can. Another good way really is the 3D view. If you go to a 3D view and you go near the edges, it's a lot easier to pick stuff sometimes. So you pick on your roof and then you say edit footprint. From there, again, we go to our roof plan. Okay, and all I really need to do is to draw a square inside of there. So let's use the offset tool with a rectangle. We'll say rectangle, and we'll say offset. We want about, I don't know, 8, let's say 6 feet on each side. So we'll say 6 feet. We'll pick on here. We'll start to go to here. Now watch. Use your space bar, just like when you draw a wall that's on the wrong side of where you're drawing. Use your space bar to flip. Okay, and then pick. So that's going to be 6 feet around the outside. Escape, escape. Hover, tab, click. Take the slope off, click out. So really that's going to just be a hole. It's going to be an opening. I believe in my example I made these ones a little bit bigger. Let's go 7 feet here, just so it's not square. And 7. Okay, so that's going to be our solarium. We hit finish. We're done. Go to our 3D view. There's the hole in our roof. Okay, and then we'll draw a little curb on it. Okay, and we'll also add in some low points for our roof drains.